I want to have a conversation with our meteorologist.
Hey, I got a lot to talk about.
He's got a lot to talk about today. Yeah, we are seeing a lot of humidity out there.
We are.
We see little rain emojis on the 7-day again. Things are changing.
Yes. Hello, September. It's bringing us almost all 4 seasons within just the first 3 days or so. As we are expected to pick up on maybe a stray raindrop or two as those cloudy skies still remain. 82 is where our current temperature resides. Low to mid 80s up and down the I-5 corridor. 60s along the coast. But when you add in the humidity value, we're tacking on just a couple of extra degrees to that heat index that feels like temperature for many of us as the summer-like conditions are still found out towards the east. But the high humidity potentially increasing that thunderstorm potential. That's exactly what we're seeing firing up on our radar right now. We'll take you into the central and southern Willamette Valley as a few of these dying thunderstorms could bring us some light moisture for places like Salem. Even tracking its way as far north as the Portland, Vancouver area as everything is relatively calm, quiet, cloudy, and warm at this point in time. The window of opportunity is going to be from about 7 to 8 o'clock this evening to pick up on some of that moisture as red flag warnings still remain in place through 9 o'clock tonight. That lightning posing a threat to starting and spreading new fires as the concern still remains even into tomorrow with the thunderstorm activity. Here's a snapshot of 8 o'clock. So that system that's right here right now starts to track its way further to the north and west. We dry things out for the overnight hours, and as we work our way into Thursday, we cloud up those skies. We hold on to the haze from wildfires, and we also pick up on a chance for a raindrop or two come early Friday morning. So how much moisture will we actually get out of these clouds? Not a lot. It's a lot of 1/100th of an inch. So if anything, consider yourself lucky if you actually pick up on any moisture. The good news for the fall lovers, we are expected to cool things back. We go from 10 degrees above the average to 10 degrees below the average. So that's a 20-degree temperature span within just about 5 days or so. As this ridge of high pressure starts to break down, we watch this low very closely as it helps to usher in slightly cooler conditions to western Oregon and southwest Washington. Something for us to look forward to as we dive deeper into the month of September. 65 degrees, that's where we expect to fall to tonight. Some of those clouds acting a bit like a blanket as the high heat, the humidity, and the haze still makes it feel like the summer season tomorrow with an expected high of 90. But there you go, a lot more of those raindrops on our 7-day forecast. Keep in mind, this does not mean everyone will see rain. Consider yourself lucky if you actually pick up on any moisture. But the best chance for all of us to see some accumulative rain, well, that falls on Tuesday with that chilly afternoon high of only 72 degrees.
Here it goes. First the rain.
Yep.
And soon, before we know it,
Starting to look like fall a little bit.
Exactly. All right, Josh. Thanks.
We'll be right back.